Low float and high beta NXTT was trending yesterday, the 28th of November 2025. High beta because of this value here. It is equally highly volatile as well. The stock has been showing a lot of strength, or yeah, a decent amount of strength within a longer term bullish trend. This is the 200-day moving average, which underscores it's a bullish trend. It's sloping bearishly lower. And the algos are actually suggesting that, or rather extrapolating that they might get a bounce from, let's see now, early December, from like the 3rd of December, but it seems it has come early. It seems it has come early, but this is still early days. 23% is looks like a lot. It may still give it up. You know, amongst other things. So the stock was trending yesterday as traders zeroed in on the company's newly announced memorandum of understanding involving a potential strategic Bitcoin related transaction. It sparked a wave of comparisons to prior high volatility plays that rocketed on crypto exposure, fueling hopes that NXTT could follow a similar script. It's also a low float stocks and a low float stock and all that things, amongst other things. They were buzzing over the possibility that the company's reported Bitcoin holdings may be worth significantly more than the company's entire market cap, with some calling it one of the most undervalued crypto adjacent equities in the market. Okay, as if well, if that is something that we can take to the bank, if that sentiment is something we can take to the bank, the algos yeah are saying, oh yeah, maybe yes, we might see something. We might see a volley. You can clearly see that here, saying that it's going to relentlessly continue to print higher prices all the way to early January. You know, if that happens, that would be wonderful. That would be really good. Even the momentum, the price pressure momentum of its 10-day moving average is equally chiming, because sometimes we see these extrapolations and they don't come with the momentums don't also chime. They don't. There's a divergence, but here we have a we have a convergence. We have a convergence. It's a critical projection which was initiated on the 28th of October, still reiterated up to yesterday, the 28th. So 1 month of persistent reiteration of this critical projection of 15.41. If it closes above that, then we're looking at an advance towards a possible advance towards 17.61 statistically very high that it can do that, but it doesn't mean it's going to happen. There are even more ambitious projections we have here: 30.85, 34.09, 36.08. Okay, the stock has just been printing lower prices, consolidating these levels at these levels. Yeah, it's been consolidating at these levels. This consolidation began the middle of September. It's just been but at the same time with with a distributed bias. I think it was consolidation uh remained up till the 27th of October. Then from then up till now, it's just been lower prices. So 1 month of declines, and then 1 month of consolidation. It's a low float stock. You can see this spike here. Surely the stuff of volatility, and maybe the hallmark of a low float or just a highly volatile stock. So yeah, it was trending yesterday. Yeah, amongst because of that, the possible transaction, Bitcoin transaction, and memorandum over understanding the company has, or something like that. Yes, on the 4 hour chart, there isn't anything like we have on the daily chart. But here, mind you, this is a 4 hour chart. It's only pointing to Thursday, the 4th of December. It's saying lower prices may continue to print. Yeah, it may still be that it could still align with what we have there on the daily chart. But let's see how it goes. Here as well, there is a convergence in terms of extrapolations. Momentum is expected to decay. Yesterday, as a matter of fact, at the close of in the brief post market session, lost some of the gains it gained. It ran up. We'll see. It's a mix of things. On this 4 hour chart, projections are currently saying down projections first 3.58, 5.86, 9.56, and then 18.75, 19.88, 20.57. We'll see if anything it's going to come up. It's a low float stock, and surely people will be watching. And there's Bitcoin involved. I mean, there's a crypto asset involved, Bitcoin involved. It's a low float stock involved. If anything is going to happen, surely you will not miss it. Trust me. I mean, you will not miss it. People will, the market out there will make sure you hear about it. So let's see how it goes. And thank you very much for watching this video.